Hey guys, welcome back again. Dito na naman tayo sa ating music katuno. So this time mga kabalak, we're going to try another more couple of song. So ganon pa rin mga kabalak. So samahan niyo kung mga kabalak ha. Parang ano lang tayo is kantong jamming. Yung ganon yung style mga kabalak. So I think mga kabalak, maganda is yung first one is yung sariling atin na naman. No, we're going to try sariling atin. I think yung band nito is River Maya, and the title of the song it was 214. So subukan nating baguhin mga kabalak. Baka sakaling kayo na bahala kung magagandahan ba kayo o hindi. So ayun. Siya nga pala mga kabalak is yung sa hindi pa nakapag subscribe sa akin, ayun, mag-subscribe na kayo. Ayan mga kabalak. So, here we go mga kabalak. Ito na yung 214. No? Ayan. Ito na siya. Yung intro niya. Am I really speak before you make you feel the love I give for you I see the wind, but if you look into my eyes then you should know there's nothing here to doubt, nothing to fear. Without question how could see through me, putting a feet into the night and you know the world could die, and everything may lie, still you shade and cry. Cause time may pass, longer than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side. Take my hand, you understand. What I for you, so we can feel the same of me and then let go. Turn into the garden you want to know. Something that I do. To the night and you know the world could die, everything may lie, still you shame cry. Cause time may pass, long than it lasts, I'll be by your side, forever by your side, forever by your side. Yes. Am I real? Speak before you make you feel. Then the love I get for you, I see the wind. Don't look at the days, then you should run. Turn into the garden you want. Turn into that morning, so we can fit into the night and you know the world could die, and everything may lie, still you shame cry. Ayan mga kabalak. So sana nagustuhan nyo yung version na yan. So I think this time we're going to proceed another one mga kabalak. I think yung song na to I think from Sales and Craft. And the title of the song, Summer Breeze. So dito ko yan siya kinukuha mga kabalak. So kayo na yung bahala pa rin kung maganda ba o hindi. So yan. Ito mga kabalak oh. Yan oh. Ito yung intro niya. Sa verse, shine to the window, everything's alright. Light shining to the window, now everything's alright. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, going to the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, going to the jasmine in my mind. Things alright. Shine to the window. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, going to the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, going to the jasmine in my mind. Shine to the window, everything's alright. Little light shining to the window, everything's alright. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, going to the jasmine in my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine, going to the jasmine in my mind. Yan mga kabalak. So, sana mga kabalak, nagustuhan nyo yung share ko sa inyo today. So, ayan. So, ngayon mga kabalak, we're going to review again. Para very quick lang. Para meron lang kayong idea. So, yung part by part mga kabalak is kayo na yung bahala maglagay ng kung ilang times yun siya. So, usually yan 4 times or 8 times. Yun kasi yung note, yung lagi kong naano 12, 4, 8, 12, parang ganun yan siya So, kayo na yung bahala. Bago kayo papasok sa verse song. So, yung 214 mga kabalak, maganda yun siya sa conga. Yung conga, yung first intro, yung ganun, no? or yung gadget niyong gagamitin, yung parang may wawa siya, wow, wow, parang nagaganon siya eh, ha? Wow, nagaganon, tak, 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 di ba, nagaganon, tak, 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 tapos kanta, pwede pa rin i-continue yung kungga sa gusto ninyo. So, yun na yung pattern niya. Yung dito naman mga kabalak, subukan nyo, wag nyong idikit yung you can feed it, parang ganon siya mga kabalak. So we can feed, parang di ganon. Wag idiretso agad pa dito, pa slide. Minsan nabubungol siya. Dili siya sa kuan ba, dili mao siya ang iyang kuan. So ako na lang gitry mga kabalak, akong ginapaminaw, julaing gud siya. So ang tendency, iganon mo siya mga kabalak. So we can feed it, so parang i-open nimo siya ba, saka nimo i-clip siya, so we can feed, into my eyes and you should know, ganon siya. Wag idiretso pag ganon, so we can feed, murag nagasagarat ba, murag ganon siya. So pag ganon, so we can, parang, so depende lang yan sa inyong style, kasi yung sa akin ina-open ko parang gano'n, so we can feed into the night, parang ginamit, the word could open, open na naman, last did you shine cry, just let me open, open forever by your side, masaya ito mga kabalak. So I'm sure yung buong bar matutuwa, I'm sure. Sa akin na nga yung opinion na. So yung Summer Breeze, so ganun pa rin, may mga sliding half note, parang para mapasok siya dito. Pag sa verse mga kabalak, ganun man yan. Pag sa verse siya, igaganon mo kabalak, i-relax nyo na, open. Then, kung hindi makaya sa ganon, i-try nyo, parang ganon siya, ina-open siya. So, ganon lang mga kabalak. Kayo na yung bahala kung hahanapin yung na-missing na note. So, pwede rin ganon. Para i-open mo siya lagi. So, yung time check natin mga kabalak. So, meron pang konti na lang talaga. So, yun lang. Maganda ito, parang heavy metal na siya. Heavy metal, parang rock ballad, parang ganon mga kabalak, no? Heavy metal at the same time, o hardcore, yan. Yan, no? Summer breeze makes me feel fire, going to the jasmine in my mind. Yung isang gitara mga kabalak. So until next time mga kabalak, wala na tayong time. So see you later. So yung subscriber mga kabalak, yan.